Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to eat pre-workout. To optimize your performance, aim to consume a meal or snack 1 to 3 hours before your exercise session. This timing allows for proper digestion and nutrient absorption, providing your body with sustained energy. Prioritize complex carbohydrates for long-lasting fuel and include a small amount of protein to support muscle function and recovery. This foundational approach sets the stage for an effective workout. For excellent pre-workout fuel, consider a bowl of oatmeal topped with a handful of fresh berries. This combination delivers complex carbohydrates and natural sugars for sustained energy. Another great choice is a medium banana paired with 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, offering both quick and lasting fuel. Alternatively, 1 slice of whole wheat toast with a single hard-boiled egg provides a balanced mix of carbohydrates and protein, preparing your body for activity. While fueling up is crucial, knowing what to avoid is equally important. Steer clear of foods high in fat, as they can significantly slow down digestion and potentially cause stomach discomfort during your workout. Similarly, consuming excessive amounts of fiber right before exercise might lead to gastrointestinal issues. Also, sugary drinks, while offering a quick boost, often result in a rapid energy spike followed by an undesirable crash, hindering your performance. Beyond food, proper hydration is key. Aim to drink 16 to 20 ounces of water 2 to 3 hours before your workout. For an extra edge, some individuals benefit from a small amount of caffeine, perhaps 100 to 200 milligrams, about 30 minutes prior. Additionally, creatine monohydrate, typically 3 to 5 grams daily, can enhance strength and power over consistent use, supporting your long-term fitness goals effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.